This might be the biggest airdrop we've seen in 2026. By taking part, you could earn $100 or even more. The official website is linked in the description below this video. If you haven't heard of Ansem Coin yet, it's a platform built for launching meme coins as easily as possible. There are no pre-sales, no complex smart contracts, and no unnecessary steps. Just create your token, grow your community, and if everything goes your way, it could take off. So why is Ansem getting so much attention? It perfectly represents what the platform is all about: community-driven projects, speculation, and the excitement of discovering the next breakout token. Seeing a token called Ansem on Ansem Coin instantly tells you what kind of project you're looking at. It's a straightforward concept with a bold identity, and that's exactly why so many early users are interested in it. Could this become the next major meme coin? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this overview of Ansem Coin and its growing ecosystem, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more crypto updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos.